going to increase the tracking to move the characters further apart. Now you can try out all sorts of different typefaces in here. You can go to different styles in there, so regular, bold, italic, whatever you need in there, and just have a bit of a go with some of the text on your own document and see how that works for you. So have a go, try it out now.
Sorry, I can't see the panels on my screen.
Okay, can you share your screen with me and I'll show you where they are?
Yep, just one sec.
Brilliant. Okay, so if you have, if you lose all your panels, the one way to bring them back is to use the Tab key on the keyboard. But the other way is if you go to the window menu. So if you move your cursor to the window menu in InDesign.
Yep.
At the top, that's it. Go down, and where it says Workspaces, that's the second command down. Move across, and about 4 commands up from the bottom, it says Reset Essentials. If you click Reset Essentials, it'll bring everything back, and this just defaults you to the original setting as it was.
Okay, thank you.